how to send invoices using Stripe. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So as you can see right now on the screen, we're currently in Stripe. So what we're going to do is we're going to navigate to our transactions over here. And in this page, scroll down a bit and you will be able to see invoice a customer. Simply select this and then you will now be able to create your invoice over here. You're first going to add the customer so that you will be able to send it to them. So if you click on add a customer, give them a name and enter their email information and select them under one of your options, this invoice over here will now then be sent to that person. So now simply enter all the other information such as the items belonging into that invoice over here and other relevant information that you want to add. And when you're satisfied with your invoice, you can either choose whether it's an invoice PDF, uh, email over here, or payment page. And just simply click on send invoice over here, which will send that invoice to that customer. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.